Craft year-round decor with Dollar Tree supplies. Hey, DIY family. Welcome back to your channel name, where we turn simple supplies into stunning home decor. Y'all know I love a good bargain, and there's no better place to find creative inspiration on a budget than the Dollar Tree. We're ditching the one-time seasonal decorations and crafting versatile pieces that can easily transition from spring's fresh blooms to summer's sunny vibes, fall's warm hues, and winter's cozy charm. Get those glue guns ready because we're about to transform your home one Dollar Tree find at a time. Before we dive into these fun projects, let's chat about the secret sauce of year-round decorating. It's all about creating a solid foundation that can easily adapt to each season. Think of it like building a beautiful farmhouse. You start with good bones and then add those personal touches that make it feel like home. Our first tip: neutral bases. Just like we love a classic white farmhouse, neutral decor items act as blank canvases for your creativity. Think wooden frames, white vases, plain wreaths. Timeless pieces that work no matter the season. Now, are you ready to put these principles into action? Let's get started on our first project, a gorgeous, interchangeable seasonal wreath. A good wreath is like a warm welcome on your front door, and today we're making one that's as versatile as it is charming. We're talking one wreath, 4 seasons. Here's what we'll be using, all from our favorite spot, Dollar Tree. A grapevine wreath or a wire wreath form, some neutral greenery like eucalyptus, boxwood, or ferns, a few small seasonal accents, think faux flowers, mini pumpkins, snowflakes, a mini chalkboard sign for those sweet seasonal greetings, and of course our trusty hot glue gun and some floral wire. First things first, let's create that timeless base. Use your floral wire to attach the neutral greenery all around the wreath. Now, for a touch of personalized charm, let's add that chalkboard sign. Attach it with a small hook or some more floral wire so you can easily swap it out later. This way, you can switch out those faux flowers for pumpkins or snowflakes in a snap. And there you have it, a gorgeous, budget-friendly wreath that you can easily update throughout the year. Every good dining room table needs a statement piece, and today, we're creating a centerpiece that's both stylish and adaptable. Just like our wreath, this centerpiece will effortlessly transition through every season. Head to Dollar Tree and grab a wooden crate or tray. It'll be the star of our show. We'll also need a few small glass vases or mason jars, some neutral-colored faux florals, and seasonal filler items like mini pumpkins, pine cones, or seashells. First things first, let's give that wooden crate a little love. Paint it a classic white, a sophisticated gray, or embrace that natural wood with a beautiful stain. Remember, we want a timeless base that complements any season. Now let's arrange those glass vases inside the crate. These will hold our seasonal decor elements, so play around with different heights and arrangements. Fill those vases with some base greenery. Eucalyptus and ferns are always a good choice. Think of this as creating a mini garden inside your centerpiece. Now comes the fun part, adding those seasonal accents. For spring, think vibrant tulips and pastel-colored eggs. Summer calls for bright sunflowers and playful seashells. As autumn arrives, bring in those cozy vibes with mini pumpkins and rustic pine cones. And when winter arrives, create a magical scene with sparkling snowflakes and festive red berries. And there you have it, a beautiful, budget-friendly centerpiece that's ready to shine through every season. Let's bring those seasonal touches to the living room with some custom throw pillows. You won't believe how easy it is to create these high-end looking pillows using, you guessed it, Dollar Tree supplies. And the best part? No sewing required. Here's what you'll need: plain pillowcases or canvas tote bags from Dollar Tree. Those will be our pillow covers. Next, choose your weapon of design. Seasonal iron-on transfers, stencils, or fabric paint. Start by choosing a neutral pillow cover. White or beige is always a safe bet. Think of it as a blank canvas for your seasonal creations. Now let's unleash our inner artist and create those seasonal designs. For spring, how about a cheerful Hello Spring surrounded by delicate floral designs? Summer calls for beachy vibes with beach vibes or sunshine and happiness. As autumn arrives, embrace those warm hues with gather and give thanks nestled amongst colorful leaves. And when winter blankets us in snow, create a cozy scene with let it snow and whimsical snowflakes. And there you have it, a set of affordable, stylish throw pillows that add a touch of seasonal charm to your living room. Wall art has the power to completely transform a space, and you don't need to spend a fortune to create a gallery wall that wows. Today, we're crafting seasonal wall art using, you guessed it, Dollar Tree finds. Head to Dollar Tree and stock up on picture frames. They have a wonderful selection of wooden, black, and white frames that are perfect for a modern farmhouse look. Next, gather your seasonal artwork. You can find tons of free printable options online, or get creative with Dollar Tree's scrapbook paper. When choosing your frames, stick with neutral colors like black, white, or natural wood. These timeless hues will complement any style of artwork and transition seamlessly through each season. Once you've chosen your artwork, simply remove the back of the frame and insert the print. As the seasons change, swap out the artwork to give your space a fresh new look. And there you have it. Custom, high-end looking wall art that changes with the seasons, all thanks to a little Dollar Tree magic. And there you have it. Budget-friendly DIY decor that works all year long. Which project was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an awesome DIY project. Thanks for crafting with me today, y'all. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. In this bonus chapter, we'll explore additional DIY decor ideas using Dollar Tree supplies. Stay tuned for more creative and budget-friendly projects that you can easily make at home. From seasonal decorations to everyday home accents, we've got you covered. Let's dive into these fun and simple DIYs. First up, we have DIY candle holders. Grab some glass jars, paint, and a few decorative stones. Paint the jars in your favorite colors, fill them with decorative stones, and place a tea light candle inside. These make for a perfect centerpiece or a cozy addition to any room. Next, let's create some wall hangings. All you need are some picture frames, scrapbooking paper, and stickers or stencils. Choose a theme, arrange your scrapbooking paper in the frames, and add your stickers or stencils for a personalized touch. These wall hangings are a great way to add some personality to your space. Lastly, we have a quick and easy DIY garland. Using some twine, clothespins, and seasonal decorations like mini pumpkins or faux flowers, string the decorations along the twine and hang it up. This garland can be easily switched out for different seasons or holidays. And there you have it. More budget-friendly DIY decor ideas to keep your home looking fabulous all year round. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!